You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we're wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you so long. I met you in the
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to be participating in the Fall Coffee Table Decor Challenge hosted by my beautiful friend Shulay over at MYSTYLEMYCOLOURS. I hope you enjoy. Guys, this is my coffee table. It's a round, large ottoman that I picked up from TK Maxx. I absolutely love styling this, and I also love that it has storage inside. Now, the rules to this challenge were really simple. Put together a fall coffee table style. Style number 1 had to include some coffee table books and a candle. So here is my first style. If you've been following me for a while now, guys, you know that my favourite colour by far would definitely be turquoise, but I absolutely love how it goes so well with gold decor. Here I've styled it with my brand new pumpkin, guys. I could not believe my luck when a few weeks ago I walked into TK Maxx and they had these beautiful cream and gold pumpkins. Now, you wouldn't believe my luck, there was only 2 left and they both had myself and my husband's initials, so they were definitely meant to come home with Chelles. One of my favourite pastimes is definitely styling my coffee table. I style this for every season. In fact, guys, I'm always changing this around. My husband has basically just given up. He doesn't know what to expect each day and just walks in and says, "What's Chelle doing in Chelles Glam Home today?" Now guys, a big shout out to each and every one of you. I want to thank you for being so patient with me. This week guys, I've been suffering from arthritis in my arm, so I've been a little bit behind on my videos, but I promised myself that I would get this video out for you.
I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last.
My next style, guys, definitely always has to include some form of glitter. And here I've styled my coffee table with these 2 beautiful glitter vases that were from TK Maxx last month.
'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold no matter what.
Now this particular style had no rules, guys. It was entirely up to you what you did. So again, I've added those 2 glitter vases as well as this beautiful white pumpkin. I then added my chunky knit throw, which is from Pillow Talk.
All I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelles, and I'm the creator of Chelles Glam Home. If you love glam DIYs, glam styling ideas and home tours, my channel just might be for you. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be aware next time I upload a video.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you.
Now, as an added bonus, I put together a third style for you. I truly love decorating with gold decor, guys, and I love that these gold accents play a vital part in decorating in my home. Now guys, we are in the first couple of weeks of spring here in Australia, but you certainly wouldn't know it where I live. It's been very, very cold these past few weeks. So this is how I decorate from fall right through to Halloween. Let me know in the comments down below, what's your favourite accent colour, guys? What's your little hint of colour throughout your home?
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Never thought it would be so hard. I grew up without a scar, just living my life with no big worries. And I've always known what I want, just didn't know what came along. Finding myself a much less happy. Back in the days I used to dream about one day a life so amazing, not everyone judging me. Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad. I wanna stay wide open.
Now guys, don't forget that you can follow me also over on Instagram. I'm at CHELLESGLAMHOME too, and I post daily inspiration of decorating my home glam. A big shout out has to go to my sweet friend Shulay over at MYSTYLEMYCOLOURS. Now guys, if you want to get more coffee table inspiration, I'll leave a link to Shulay's channel down below, where she has a playlist of all the other participants.
Nothing more to put on. I'm defeated and withdrawn, just trying to understand where it went wrong. Always believe that nothing good.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to glam decorating your coffee table.
Don't wanna care about them, though it hurts so bad.
Leave me a comment down below, what was your favourite style?
Cause if I shut down, it just gives them the right. I wanna stay wide open.
Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home.
No one can break me, no one can bring me down. I wanna be where I'm safe and sound.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
I wanna stay